going to do today?
I don't know.
We're going to do a challenge.
Oh,
We're going to do a challenge
what is it?
because in our homeschooling lesson for today is about the sense of smell. So we're going to use your nose today. Is your nose clean? Yeah? So we're going to blindfold you. Can you see anything?
No,
Really?
I'm sure.
And you're going to tell us what is the item we're letting you smell. How many is this? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Ready? Is your nose clean?
Yeah.
Okay. So, first item. It's something you can smell but you cannot eat. But actually you can eat it. But I won't let you eat it. What is it?
Mushroom,
No.
candy,
No. Can you smell?
sweet sour,
Yeah. You can say I don't know if you really don't know, but you can guess anything. You smell it. Don't see it. Don't look at it. Smell only. But can you smell it?
Salagami.
Huh?
Salagami.
Calamansi.
Calamansi.
Next. Don't pick. You know that smell?
No.
You don't know it? Okay. No? Can you tell me what kind of smell it is? Is it sour, stinky, smells good? Stinky? Do you know what that smell is? No? The smell, okay? What is it?
Apple.
Okay. It's okay.
Strawberry. Hey, ew.
Stinky too? You try. I don't think this is stinky. You don't know?
Honey?
Correct!
Don't know what it is.
You know this?
Oil?
Yeah. What kind of oil?
Orange?
Yes.
Hush? Carrot?
No.
I don't know.
Yes.
Stinky!
Stinky? Does it smell good? Okay. Last one.
Apple? Pear?
Yes. Correct. Okay, I will now let you keep
Very good,
the
Raya.
alcohol, correct? The
Sure.
honey, the calamansi, the strawberry, the orange essential oil, the pear. But you didn't get the patis. It's a fish sauce. It's not it. So you remember. So you know next time.
Cheese!
Yeah, it's patis. And this is
Fish.
Smell
fried
it.
fish. You smell it so you know the smell.
Fish.
Yeah. And this is
the touch.
Okay.
Not
No, it's garlic.
Smell it.
Smell it.
red.
And this is, you know the smell. It's coffee.
Yeah.
Okay, and this is vinegar.
Vinegar.
And this one?
Onion.
Yeah, you didn't cut it. And this one?
Honey.
No,
What is also the same with that honey?
that's honey. And this is guava jam.
Guava.
Smell it
I
again.
want to eat it.
So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good
Another challenge.
Yes, there's another challenge. So, and you didn't get the flour.
Oh, I like the flower.
I mean, you didn't get the smell of the flour.
I just want